Hello and welcome friends. Today's topic is to installation of the VirtualBox software. So we are discussing that the installation of the VirtualBox. In this video we can see what is the VirtualBox and how to install. So what is the VirtualBox? VirtualBox is an open source software for virtualizing the x86 computing architecture. It acts as a hypervisor, creating a virtual machine in which the user can run another operating system. The operating system in which VirtualBox runs is called as the host operating system, and the operating system running in the virtual machine is called as the guest operating system. The VirtualBox was originally developed by iTech GmbH and released on the 17th January 2007 as an the open source software package.